The theology of the mustard seed, as presented in the Gospel, is a perfect example and symbol of humility. In the mustard seed, we are called to accept who we are, our little beginning, in nurturing it towards greatness, in patience, in faith, in determination, and in courage. The spirit of the mustard seed is one of never looking down on the self. It is one of never giving up in life, no matter the challenges. The mustard seed calls for self-submission to the will of God, the formation, molding, and being watered by those who are productive, those who have been formed in life. Our humility as mustard seed must allow us to accept the fact that we are inadequate without God, and that we truly need Him for our survival and for our victory. Humility is not a sign of weakness, but attributing every success, every victory of ours to God, who is the source of life and every good gift. The Blessed Virgin Mary was humble, that in her little beginning, in her nothingness, she cried unto God in the Magnificat, "The Lord has raised up his lowly servant." Luke's Gospel chapter 1 from verse 46 to 55. That in humility we are raised. However, we must know that the mustard seed does not grow without challenges. It does not grow without storms. It does not grow without discouragement from people around, but that determination, faith, and courage will surely lead such to its victory. Whatever we become in life, from our humble beginning, we are encouraged to be hospitable in making our branches shelter for the homeless, food for the hungry, and clothing for the naked, hope for the hopeless, healing for the sick, and faith for the faithless. And this is what makes the mustard seed the greatest of all trees, for it provided shelter in its branches for the birds. It gave food for the hungry birds also. That to every opportunity God has given you and me, to every blessing we have received from God, that such an opportunity or such a blessing that we have received from God, we are called to create opportunities also for others. Like the mustard seeds, after growing up into a bigger tree, it created opportunity for other birds to come and find shelter, to come and find food for their survival, sustenance, and hope. The mustard seed provided shelter and food for other animals, not because it has more than enough, but because it knows what it means to lack. And this is the call for you and me as Christians, that Christianity has grown so wide, so far, is as a result of its charity, is as a result of its life of love, as rooted in the early Christians, as seen in Acts of the Apostles chapter 2 to chapter 4. Such gospel values must be kept among us for us to be truly Christians, and for the mustard seed that was sown in the life of the church to remain. That as mustard seed, that as a church, we must care for one another. We must grow, like Jesus will say in Matthew's Gospel chapter 5 from verse 13 to 16. You are the light and the salt of the earth. It is in our acceptance of being mustard seed that we can be light and salt of the earth. Hence, we must learn how to pray. Father, I place into your hands the things I cannot do. Father, I place into your hands the times that I've been through. Father, I place into your hands the way that I should go, for I know I always can trust you. Father, I place into your hands my friends and family. Father, I place into your hands the things that trouble me. Father, I place into your hands the person I will be, for I know I always can trust you. As mustard seed, our growth lies in our trust in the person of Jesus. And I pray for such humility and simplicity through Christ our Lord.